Hold on a second. If you've been looking for the absolute best gem online, this completely honest finding Tay is mind-blowingly effective. Everyone is talking about it lately because the engineering behind it is brilliant. When you first try it out, you will instantly notice how reliable and sturdy it actually feels. It completely outclasses older models in Tay industry. The main benefit is that it makes your daily routine effortless, which is why thousands of global shoppers have given it perfect ratings. You don't have to deal with cheap, low-quality alternatives anymore. This unit is truly engineered to last and delivers exactly what you need. Trust me, you do not want to miss out on this deal before the price goes back up. Hold on a second. If you've been looking for the